Have you ever questioned if the reality you experience every day is actually an illusion? Today, we're diving into 27 mind-bending facts that scientists and philosophers have confirmed, but most people have no idea exist. What you're about to learn will fundamentally change how you see yourself and the universe around you. Especially the last fact on our list, which left even quantum physicists questioning everything they thought they knew. Buckle up, because after this video you'll never look at your existence the same way again. Get ready, because you might just start questioning everything you thought you knew. Let's kick things off with a bang. Imagine the universe as a giant balloon with galaxies painted all over it. Scientists have confirmed that the universe is expanding, and not just expanding but accelerating. Galaxies are moving away from each other, and the farther they are, the faster they're receding. It's like the universe is in a cosmic hurry to get bigger. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where two particles become linked, no matter how far apart they are. Imagine two coins flipped, one heads, the other tails, even light years apart. Information travels instantly, breaking light speed. Einstein called it spooky action, and we're still puzzled. The observer effect suggests that observing a particle can change its behavior. Particles exist in a blurry state of possibilities until we observe them, then they choose a definite state. It's enough to make you wonder who's really in control. The multiverse theory suggests our universe isn't alone. There could be infinite universes parallel to ours, each with unique laws and possibilities. While still a theory, the multiverse has compelling evidence supporting it. Time is a funny thing. We think of it as constant, ticking away at the same rate for everyone. But Einstein's theory of relativity changed that idea. Time is relative. It can speed up or slow down depending on your speed and gravity. Near a massive object like a black hole, time moves slower for you. Traveling near the speed of light, time would almost stand still compared to Earth. Have you ever wondered if our reality is just a sophisticated computer simulation? The simulation hypothesis is a serious idea explored by philosophers and scientists alike. Could a highly advanced civilization create a simulation so realistic that we wouldn't even know the difference? We only understand 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy, mysterious entities we can't see or directly detect. Dark matter acts like invisible glue, holding galaxies together, while dark energy pushes the universe apart at an accelerating rate. The holographic principle proposes that our universe is a projection of information encoded on a distant two-dimensional surface. Imagine a hologram, a two-dimensional image appearing three-dimensional from a certain angle. The principle suggests our universe works similarly, with all information stored on a distant boundary surface. The universe is amazing, with finely tuned laws of physics and constants that allow for stars, planets, and life. The anthropic principle explores the idea that the universe is well suited for us, and perhaps that's not a coincidence. Is the universe fine-tuned for life, or just a happy accident? Given the vastness of the universe and the sheer number of stars and planets, it seems improbable that we're alone. So, where is everybody? That's the Fermi paradox. Are we alone in this vast cosmic ocean? Or are we missing something fundamental about intelligent life and its tendency to make contact? The Big Bang Theory describes the universe's birth from an extremely hot, dense state roughly 13.8 billion years ago. Imagine all matter and energy crammed into a space smaller than an atom. Then, bam! The universe exploded outward, expanding and cooling over billions of years to form stars, galaxies, and planets. We can explore the vastness of space, unravel the secrets of the quantum world, and trace the universe back to its fiery origin. But one mystery stumps even the brightest mind's consciousness. What allows us to experience the world, to think, to feel, to be aware of our existence? The double-slit experiment is a famous quantum mechanics experiment showing wave-particle duality. Imagine shining light through two slits. Instead of two bright bands, you get an interference pattern. Even single particles create an interference pattern over time. It's a classic example of the bizarre nature of the quantum world. The many worlds interpretation suggests that every quantum measurement creates a split in the universe, branching into a new reality with a different outcome. Every choice, no matter how small, births a new universe with a different choice. It's a dizzying concept, implying infinite parallel universes constantly branching off. Time marches on, always moving forward, from the past to the future. We experience time as a linear progression, but the laws of physics don't prefer any direction. Some physicists believe it relates to the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy, or disorder, always increases. We perceive the world through our senses, but how much of what we perceive is an accurate representation of reality, and how much is constructed by our brains? What if our senses deceive us? What is real and how can we know? The Heisenberg uncertainty principle states you can never simultaneously know both the position and momentum of a particle with perfect accuracy. The more precisely you measure one, the less precisely you can know the other. This uncertainty is a fundamental property of the quantum world. Space and time form a four-dimensional fabric called space-time. This fabric warps and curves due to mass and energy. Massive objects warp space-time, creating what we experience as gravity. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. What happens to information that falls into a black hole? Classical physics says information is destroyed once it crosses the event horizon. Quantum mechanics suggests information cannot be destroyed, only transformed. Light exhibits properties of both waves and particles. Sometimes light behaves like a wave, spreading like ripples on a pond. Other times it acts like a particle, a tiny packet of energy called a photon. Gravity is not a force in the traditional sense. Instead, it's the curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. Massive objects create a dip in space-time, and planets orbit these objects by following this curvature. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so intense that nothing can escape their grasp. They form when massive stars collapse, squeezing their mass into a singularity. Black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners, devouring anything that gets too close. Is the universe infinite, stretching on forever, or does it have an edge, a cosmic boundary beyond which lies what? Current observations suggest the universe is flat or nearly flat, meaning it could be infinite. However, it's also possible the universe is finite but unbounded, like the surface of a sphere. Time is so fundamental to our experience that it seems impossible to imagine existence without it. But what if time is not fundamental but an emergent property, arising from something more basic? Matter, the stuff that makes up everything we see and touch, is composed of atoms. But atoms are not the smallest building blocks of matter. They are made up of even smaller particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are not fundamental either. They are composed of even tinier particles called quarks. Energy is the lifeblood of the universe, driving every process, from subatomic interactions to the largest cosmic events. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. The total amount of energy in the universe is constant. And so, we arrive at the ultimate question: what is the nature of existence? Why is there something rather than nothing? The quest to understand our place in the cosmos drives us to explore, discover, and push the boundaries of knowledge. So keep questioning, keep exploring, and never lose your sense of wonder. So there you have it, 27 mind-bending facts that might make you question everything you knew about reality. From the universe's expansion to quantum mechanics, we've journeyed to the edges of understanding and peered into the heart of big mysteries. But the more we learn, the more we realize we don't know. Every answer unlocks new questions, each more profound than the last. So keep looking up, keep asking big questions, and never lose your sense of wonder.